Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your wishlist on the Modivo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the search button down below, which is the second option, and select a category, and then you should tap on the product you would like to add to your favorites. So click on this heart icon in the upper right corner down or below the shopping cart icon. Then go back to the previous page by tapping on this arrow in the upper left corner and click on the favorites button down below, which is the fourth one, indicator marked with a heart icon, and here you can find all of the products added to this section. If you want to, you can delete it by tapping on the three dots icon and clicking on the remove it from this list button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.